The grammar of Kirenai is mean unable to do, or too much to finish, or too much to complete. Unable to do, that means something that is you cannot do, something that is really big or really hard, so you cannot do, or it's too much to finish or to complete, something that is over from your power, so you cannot do. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of Kirenai, you can use with the verb, but you should change the verb to be the must form and cut out the must. And end by Kirenai is mean unable to do, or too much to finish or to complete. For example, ikimasu, you can change to be kirenai or kimasu, kirenai, something like this. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of kirenai, the next we are going to see some example about how to use the grammar of Kirenai. The first example, この部屋には100人は入りきれない。この部屋に100人は入りきれない。Which means this room cannot fit 100 people. This room cannot fit 100 people. The next example, 彼は使い切れないほど金がある。彼は使い切れないほど金がある。Which means he has more money than he can spend. He has more money than he can spend. In the first sentence, you see that we use with the verb 入ります。But we use with the Kirenai, we should change to the must, highly must, and cut out the must. We just left only highly Kirenai, right? Which means cannot enter to the room, right? 100 people cannot enter. The total 100 people cannot enter to the room. You can enter to the room about 30 people or 80 people, right? So you can say highly Kirenai. And for the second sentence here, you see that 彼は使い切れないほど金がある。使い is from the verb that we use with 使う and we change to be the must form 使います and we cut out the must, we can say 使い切れない right? 使い切れないほど金がある which means that he had a lot of money and he cannot use all of his money, right? So in the case like this, can use 使い切れないほど金がある whenever how much money you use, your money you still have a lot of at your house, at your bank. So in that case, you can say 使い切れないほど金がある The next, いっぱい注文しないで2人で食べきれないからいっぱい注文しないで2人で食べきれないから Which means don't order so much, we won't be able to eat it all with just the two of us. Don't order so much, we won't be able to eat it all with just the two of us. In this sentence, we can use with the tabemas, right? Tabemas. So we cut out the must, we can say tabekirenai, which means we won't be able to eat all of the food that we will order, right? So we can say tabekirenai kara The next 明日のテストまでにはすべての文法は勉強しきれないな。明日のテストまでにはすべての文法は勉強しきれないな。Which means I won't be able to finish studying all of the grammar before tomorrow's test. I won't be able to finish studying all of the grammar before tomorrow's test. You see that we use with the 勉強する, right? So when we change the must, 勉強します, cut out the must, just left only 勉強しきれない. 勉強しきれない, which means cannot finish studying all of the grammar just one night, right? So one night you cannot be finished for the study the grammar. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of Kirenai. Remember that when you use the verb with the grammar Kirenai, you should change to be the must form and cut out the must. That's it for how to use the grammar of Kirenai.